OFM Sport.
France, what happened in that last 25 minutes on Sunday at Loftus?
Yeah, Morgs, I think we got caught chasing our tails a bit. Look, and then not to underestimate the Bulls. I think they did well exploiting us when we were 13 man on the field. But we need to be better, and yeah, there's a lot of things you think about now. Maybe we should have done this, should have done that. But look, we got the 5 points, and we have Boland.
Like Niels rightly said, although you guys put up a very, very good lead, from the word go, the defence was a bit of an issue in that game as well, because you guys would score, they would strike back. So defence must have been one big work on this week, especially against Team Up Boland coming here.
Yeah, Morgs, I think, look, Jacques Fourie once in a newspaper said, we're not on the field anymore, we can't make people tackle. So to tell me there's a problem with the defense when we go to Kimberley and just concede 2 line breaks against the people they have, and then a couple of weeks later saying we have a problem with the defense, I don't think so. I think, yeah, it's tough, we need to work on it, and we need to make sure it doesn't happen again.
And like you mentioned, as Boland this weekend, they've been a bit of a thorn in your side since they've really started competing in the Currie Cup Premier Division. But massive game for Cheetahs this weekend, because there's a lot riding on this game, and you guys can achieve a lot if you guys get to fill out some points this week.
Yeah, the next 2 weeks is crucial, and I hope everybody realises what's at stake. Look, if we don't get points on the weekend, then we need to go get points in Nelspruit. And we, like you said, with Boland, we've been struggling against Boland, but we also have been struggling against Pumas the last couple of years, especially there. So we need to get all our ducks in a row and have a proper performance on the weekend.
But you can't ask for a more exciting challenge than this weekend against Boland at home in front of the faithful.
Yeah, we're excited. Yeah, we only had 3 home games, so it's good that we're here and we have Boland. And look, all the coaching staff probably has a lot of friends in town, so there will be a lot of support for them as well. But if we play well, and yeah, hopefully we can fill the stadium before the end of the Currie Cup one day.
And the injury list is seeming to mount a little bit on the side. How much of a concern is it for you? And Faf, is that a big concern, or is it just a precaution that he wasn't played last week?
No, Faf has an old shoulder that's he's struggling a bit with. But no, we'll figure it out. There's this week there's other stuff that also happened. But look, I will never complain about that. I think we didn't have a lot of rest time in the last year. We didn't have a proper pre-season. There's a lot of things that can influence the injuries. But having injuries gives somebody else opportunity. And look, some people needs to step up and do their job, and then others, if they don't step up, then we know what we have in them. So we're still going to put up a good team on the weekend. There's some guys getting back into it again, and we're looking forward to seeing them as well. So if you look at later in the EPCR and all of that, it's also going to be tough, and we need a full squad for that as well. So people must just play. You get an opportunity and you need to use it.
One guy that's really proving it at the moment is Princey, the way he's playing, just involved in the game in every single aspect when he gets that opportunity.
Yeah, look, Princey made that jersey his own again. I think December, just after December, he took a little bit of, his form went down a little bit. But the way he's playing, I think he's enjoying his rugby, and he's putting in massive shifts. So I'm, as a coach, you're happy when somebody does that. So I'm very happy with Princey.